Hi, my name is Tanish. I'm 18 years old, a recent high school graduate with immense passion for F1. Fascinations turned into a clear career mission to become a race engineer. To embark on this journey, I'll be doing my undergrad in motorsports engineering.
From collecting die-cast model cars in my early years to leading an F1 in schools team, the fascination of studying the engineering behind these vehicles has been deep-rooted in my very tissue. I have participated twice in F1 in schools at the national level, which I consider the most significant engineering project. My role in both the competitions were founder and design engineer for my F1 in schools team. Master races at a very young age in 2020 and Celerus Astra racing in the recent year 2024. Taking on this cross-functional challenge gave me full ownership of my race car, Garud. The initial concept through design, development and final manufacturing. I led the design and CAD modeling of 2 car prototypes in Autodesk Fusion 360, each with distinct aerodynamic philosophies. Using CFD simulations, I optimized airflow, minimized drag and balanced downforce distribution. We focused on race critical factors like weight reduction, center of gravity placement and launch stability. One major challenge was aerodynamic instability. Our prototype swayed side to side during launch. I solved this by shifting the center of gravity forward for self-aligning stability, adding vertical stabilizers behind the COG, mimicking an arrow directional control. I also engineered a frictionless axle system by removing the traditional axle rod. Instead, I used a resin mounting with ceramic bearings, improving rotational smoothness and reducing drag. For the wheels, I designed a 6-hole structure to lower mass and momentum of inertia. To solve grip issues from smooth resin, I added a sandpaper layer, significantly enhancing launch traction. During manufacturing, we used CNC machining and SLA 3D printing with a plus minus of 0.1 mm tolerance. I personally oversaw component fitting and alignment for structural integrity. We achieved a final drag coefficient of 0.135, backed by a strong on-track simulation and performance. A complex challenge arose during 3D printing. Infill density made the aerodynamic components heavier than expected. This shifted the car's center of mass and led to launch instability. We used real measured weights to update our simulation model and then redistributed weight strategically with calibrated ballast, switched to nylon P12 for a critical part like the wings, offering better strength to weight performance. This real-world issue taught me to validate design assumptions and understand how even minor changes affect the vehicle dynamics at the highest level of precision. It was more than a school competition. It was a full-fledged engineering experience that shaped my technical identity and confirmed my commitment to motorsports.
To get my hands dirty and gain a practical knowledge, I've been working at MK Autos as an assistant mechanic intern.
This hands-on role gives me daily exposure to the maintenance, diagnostic and repairs of a wide range of vehicles, including supercars. I work closely with experienced technicians and am actively involved in performing essential service tasks from oil changes to brake disc replacements, often with zero supervision. Assisting with engine overhauls, transmission maintenance and suspension repairs on cars like McLaren, Lamborghini, Ferrari and many more. Diagnosing faults and developing an understanding of specialized tools and their applications. Gaining insights into the unique engineering systems of high performance and luxurious vehicles. This experience has deepened my appreciation for supercar engineering and sharpened my practical skills. Every task, whether mechanical or diagnostic, adds another layer to my technical foundation and brings me closer to the world I dream of joining.
For me, motorsport isn't a career path, it's a calling. Every design I model, every bolt I tighten. It pushes me to push boundaries. My heart beats with the rhythm of engines. I thrive on pressure to deliver performance. I'm ready to learn fast, work hard and earn my place in professional motorsport. If I am selected for UMA Bootcamp 2025, I will bring unmatched hunger, grit, and commitment. UMA Bootcamp 2025 is the launchpad I need to refine my skills, to collaborate with the best, and immerse myself in the motorsport ecosystem. I want to go beyond classroom learning, simulation, pit work, data analysis, and design iteration. Thank you for considering my application. I'm excited to prove what I can do on track and off the track.